Turning off your Android phone is a simple task, but the exact method can vary depending on your device. Many newer Android phones have changed what happens when you press and hold the power button, which can confuse users. In this guide, I'll show you 4 easy ways to power off your Android phone, whether you're using a Samsung Galaxy or another Android device. Method 1. Use the quick settings menu. No buttons required. The easiest and most reliable way to turn off almost any modern Android phone is through the quick settings panel. Start by swiping down from the top of your screen twice to fully expand the quick settings menu. Look for the power icon, which usually looks like a circle with a vertical line. On Samsung Galaxy phones, you'll typically find it in the upper right corner, while Google Pixel devices usually place it near the bottom right area. Tap the power icon, then select power off. If prompted, tap power off again to confirm. Your phone will safely shut down within a few seconds. Method 2. Use the power button combination. If holding the power button launches Google Assistant, Gemini, or another voice assistant instead of showing the power menu, you'll need to use a button combination. On many Google Pixel and newer Motorola phones, press and hold the power button and the volume up button together for a few seconds. On many Samsung Galaxy and OnePlus devices, press and hold the power button and the volume down button instead. When the power menu appears, tap power off, then confirm if necessary. This method works even if your quick settings menu isn't easily accessible. Method 3. Use the accessibility menu. Perfect for broken buttons. If your phone's physical buttons no longer work, Android includes an accessibility feature that lets you access power controls using an on-screen menu. Open Settings, then go to Accessibility. Depending on your phone, select Accessibility menu or Assistant menu. Samsung users can find it under Interaction and Dexterity. Turn on the accessibility shortcut and grant any required permissions. A floating icon or small shortcut button will appear on your screen. Tap it, select power, and then choose power off to shut down your device without using any physical buttons. Method 4. Ask your voice assistant. You can also use your phone's built-in voice assistant for a hands-free option. Simply say, "Hey Google, turn off my phone," or on Samsung devices, "Hi Bixby, turn off my phone." Your assistant will display the power menu on your screen. If your phone is locked, you may need to unlock it first. Finally, tap power off to complete the shutdown. And that's all. Choose the method that works best for your device. If you found this video useful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Android guides.